In this video of Cooking with Kelsey, I'm going to be showing you how I make easy Vietnamese pho. Pho is a really comforting dish, especially on days where it's raining outside or you're just feeling under the weather. So to make this simple broth, I'm just boiling 1 gallon of water and I'm charring some ginger and white onion. This char is going to allow those flavors to really come out and seep into the broth. Every good bowl of pho has different vegetables that you can include as toppings. I like to use white onions, limes, cilantro, broccoli, scallions, and Thai basil. 2 other ingredients that are traditionally used as toppings in pho are jalapenos and bean sprouts. I realize that I don't want to stay the same. What makes this recipe particularly easy is this pho soup base, which you can pretty much find at any international market. Tell me what to do, 'cause I'll only need my own groove. You can't win a race if you don't run. For the noodles, I'm gonna simply flash boil them in some hot water. You don't want to overcook them because essentially your pho broth is going to be super hot, so the noodles will cook even more as you're preparing your bowl. While you don't have to include protein, I like to simply get a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, trim the breasts, and include that in my soup. If you don't prefer chicken, you can also try shrimp or thinly sliced beef. Once your broth has simmered for about an hour, you're ready to start assembling your bowl. Go ahead and top it with all of those fresh ingredients. And if you fly above, just 'cause you feel the love, you don't have to tell me what. Don't forget your chopsticks, and for a little extra kick, top it off with some sriracha. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to our channel, Cooks and Cameras. Thanks for watching.